I decided to build my own AI business from scratch, lacking any knowledge or skills, and do it all in just 24 hours, harnessing an array of AI tools. And I want you to join me on this journey because I'll show you in detail, step by step, what I'll be doing. So, make sure to watch this video to the very end, and you'll learn a whole bunch of fresh insights that nobody's talking about. My 24-hour game plan. So, here's my 24-hour game plan. 1. Niche selection. First and foremost, I need to figure out what I want to do before diving into how to make it happen. I've already picked a niche. In this video, I'll create a business that sells digital products on Etsy. I believe it's one of the smartest and easiest ways to make money with AI today. 2. The second step is choosing the product. After spending a couple of hours browsing Etsy, I narrowed down a few different products I'd like to create and finally settled on this one: stickers. Yes, if I had a bit more time, I'd be crafting print-on-demand stickers, which means physical products. But since I'm clueless about that and have no time to learn, I'll be creating and selling digital stickers instead. Yup, those exist too. Take this Etsy shop, for example. It was launched not too long ago, has just a handful of items, and the owner has already raked in over $4,000 in pure profit. And yes, I mean pure, because it's a digital product, meaning you don't spend a dime on its creation. Creating stickers. Alright, I think it's time to dive into creating stickers. As I mentioned earlier, we won't be making the stickers ourselves, but with the help of artificial intelligence. For this, we'll be using two AI tools, Chat GPT, which will assist us in generating ideas, and Midjourney, which will craft the stickers for us. Okay, we're entering Chat GPT and trying to generate ideas for stickers. Create a list of cute sticker ideas that I could sell. Then we wait a bit and read everything it suggests to us. I like the idea of creating food with faces. Let's not delay and immediately move on to Midjourney and try to generate something. For convenience, let's add the Midjourney bot to our server. To do this, create our server, create my own, name it anything you like, and click create. Next, go to the Midjourney server, find the Midjourney bot and add it to our newly created server. Now, as an example, I will write this prompt: cute pizza slice sticker, cartoon style. We received 4 different options. I only like the second option, so let's try to generate 3 more times to have more options to choose from. I don't really like these options. I will write another prompt later, but for example, let's take this image. Click U2 to enlarge the image. Then click open in browser and save it to our computer. Removing the background. Alright, we've got our first sticker, but we can't sell it like this. It's gotta look like this. To get rid of the background, we can use Photoshop if you've got it, or the free online alternative Photopea. Let me show you how it's done with Photopea so y'all can follow along. So, Photopea is like a free version of the paid app of Photoshop, with all the necessary features. Head over to photopea.com. As you can see, it's a web app, so you can use it completely free without downloading anything. First, I'm going to create a new project. We need to make sure it's set to 10 inches by 10 inches and set the DPI to 300. Then, simply click Create. We've made a blank canvas, and all we need to do now is drag our newly created sticker onto it. As you can see, the image is tiny. Let's enlarge it. Holding down the Alt key, we'll drag one of the image's corners and stretch it to fit the entire canvas, then press Enter. Now, we need to remove the background. As you can see, Midjourney often creates stickers with a white border around the image to give it that sticker-like aesthetic. But we don't need it right now, so we'll be cutting out the background along with it. I'll choose the Quick Selection tool right here and click on our pizza. Now, let's zoom in on our pizza and check for any significant errors. After making sure everything is properly selected, we'll go to the Select menu, Modify, and choose Smooth. We'll input something like 7 pixels and click OK. Then, we'll return to the Select menu, Modify, and choose Contract. We'll also input around 6 pixels and click OK. By doing this, our selection becomes slightly smaller, and we eliminate any small white pixel errors, making our image more professional and neat. Now, all we need to do is press Ctrl or Command J, depending on whether you're working on Windows or Mac. I'll press Ctrl J, and as you can see, we have a new layer with our pizza, without the background. So if I hide all the lower layers, we can see the result. If you zoom in on our image, you can see that everything is clean and professional. Finally, we need to click File, Export As, and PNG, then click Save, and save it to our computer. After that, I created 10 more, but slightly examples of what I have created: different stickers. If we analyze our future competitors on Etsy, we can notice that almost all of them use so-called mock-ups. This seller uses a hand holding a sticker, this one too, and this one, for example, uses a MacBook or a box. So, I found these mock-ups on free stock services. After some time struggling in Photoshop, here's what I came up with. Considering I've never done this before, I think it turned out pretty well. By the way, let me know in the comments what you think. Did I manage to pull it off or not? As you can see, it's really easy to create a mini business using AI. Now all that's left for us to do is post our product on a platform, in our case Etsy, and start making money. The process is quite simple, but can take some time, and I don't want to drag this video out. So I won't be showing the registration process and listing the product on Etsy in this video. Thank you so much for watching until this point. I hope the video was helpful for you. I'd be happy if you subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a nice comment. See you later.